Hey, what is up, everybody? Rick here. Here's my face. Got an unboxing for you. Take you along on this journey of unboxing this knife because I not 100% sure what this is. I got a 50-50 shot in my brain, but we'll see. Yeah, if you like knife content, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps the channel out quite a bit. Like the video. If you like the video, just hit that little thumbs up button. Everything in this video will be linked down below as usual. And this is just an unboxing first impression. There will be a full review on this knife, whatever it is, down the road. As I point that way, down the road, once I get some pocket time. But that's enough chit chat. Let's get into this. All right. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure. I ordered two knives from two different places. They're coming on 2 different days. So I got a 50-50 shot. Either way, it's gonna be a good one. Or it's not. I don't know. I hope it's gonna be a good one. So we got the Riyadh XOM gravity knife, the budget one from it's a Blade HQ exclusive, $120. Super fidgety, super awesome. Be careful carrying it though. You're gonna. I would not. I had to come open my pocket one, so I don't suggest. Pocket peanuts. All right. No paperwork in here. Nothing. All right. So we got. Oh, come on. Come on. Here we go. Ooh. I like me a good old Kunwu. What do we got today? What's in the box? Huh? Gabam. We've got the Gringo. Super excited about this. Been loving what Kunwu has been doing. A brand I knew nothing about a year ago, and this is my fourth. Always does great presentation. You got their nice little fluffy bag. You got a little packet. We've got a nice little cloth. We got nice additional hardware, which is always good, in my opinion. We got some Kunwu stickers. Get those out of here. Kunwu card. And the knife itself. Ooh, it's heavy. Oh, okay. Let's put that down. It's a beefy boy. Yeah, keep that out. Don't care about that. Throw those in there. Get that out of here. Get that out of here. Get those out of here. Put that over there. Boom. Knife. Look at this. Kunwu Gringo. In the, oh gosh, what do they call it? Forgot what they, honeydew texturing. I believe that's what it's called. I will correct myself if that is wrong, but titanium scales, contoured. I mean, it's technically a backspacer. A nice Kunwu clip. Then, of course, we got the logo and the Damascus pivot collars. This is the polished DLC. Pop! And there it is. Hey, they didn't send me oil in this one. I have the oil, but anyways, Look at that thing. Looks like a shovel nose. That thing is. Okay. Check it out. Ooh, action's good. Having some. Look at that thing. Got a big old poon. We got some nice usable chimping. We got a nice choke up area. This thing is. It literally reminds me of some sort of garden. What's that? Garden spade? Okay, falls right into the thumb. Good. It made me nervous. That big old blade flopping down on my thumb. Let's try this. I'm not the best at front flipping. Ah, that's tight. I might need to break in a little bit. Hold on. I'm determined here. Let me rally. Warm the hands up. No, not doing it today. All right, getting off track. So yeah, contouring, not a sharp point that I'm feeling. Feels good in the hand. Actually feels really good in the hand. Contoured scales. There's a D10 to that. D10's nice. It's not super strong. I would say it's done well. That blade just because that the amount of blade popping out comes up pretty hard. Got some jumping back here on what you call the backspacer, I guess. Liner lock, running on bearings. Man, I got this. Oh, man. You gotta get it right there on the corner. My thumbs aren't. Oh. I'll have it down by the review. Reversible pocket clip. I got the wire one in there if you want. Lanyard hole for lanyard people. Deployment hole in great spot. Such a great spot. Boom! Look at that thing. It's a big knife. God, it does feel great in the hand though. Oh, blade centering. Blade centering. It's hard to see because it's all black. It is on. It is on. Hardware on this guy. We got a captive pivot. That's cool. Like T8s. T8 body screws, T8 pocket clip, T8 T8 pivot. The overstop is the only thing that's T6. The lock overstop pin. It's not pin. I forget. Something like that. You know what I mean. Words. How big is this thing? Stanley! Where's Stanley? There's Stanley. Let's go up Stanley. It's a big knife. We're looking at just under 8.5 inches with a blade that's just under 3 3 3/4, and a cutting edge that's 3 1/4. Due to that generous front choil. Polished DLC, which I just goobered up with that red. Yeah. It's a good one. I like this one. I do just want to throw it up against a couple other Kunwus, just so you know. Throwing some Kunwu love here. We got the Django. Put that down here. Well, they all have polished DLC. God, I'm such a fancy bitch, aren't I? Polished DLC. We got the Padre. It dwarfs the Padre. Excalibur. Come on, focus, focus. There's the Kunwu collection so far. The largest of the bunch. And all right, that's what I got for a video. I appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, please like the channel, subscribe to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. Tell me what we think of Kunwu or the Kunwu Gringo and experience. What models you got? Anything about it. I'm willing. I want to know. And if you like pictures of knives and you're on Instagram, head on over to Rick's Knives and give me a follow. All right. I do a lot of, it's where I communicate the most with people. But that's what I got for you. And I appreciate you watching. Till next time, have a good day.